Hey guys, it's Kierra. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take a simple makeup look and turn it into a natural glam look from start to finish. So let's get started. Starting with my base, I'm going to take my Pearl Powder Mineral Foundation. I am in between the shades G6 and G7. Now that I've got my foundation ready, I'm going to buff this into my face using my number 70 Kabuki. Now that I've finished with foundation, I'm going to take my setting silk and use this to set the areas of my face where I get oily throughout the day. For me, I like to focus on my forehead and just the center of my face, kind of like my T-zone, and I bring it down to my chin as well. And then we're ready to move on. Next, I'm going to start on my brows. I'm taking my deep brown brow pomade and using this to outline my brows first. Next, I'm going to take my deep brown brow powder and use this to lightly fill in my brows. Moving on to bronzer, I'm taking my Shana Bronzer and using my number 64 Kabuki, I'm going to work this on my cheeks, on my jawline, and around my forehead. Now I'm taking my color switch and using this to remove the excess bronzer, and moving on to blush. I'm going to take my Sadie Mineral Blush and use this with my number 64 Kabuki as well. Now it's time to move on to the eyes. I'm first taking my September pressed eyeshadow, and with my flat, fluffy eyeshadow brush, I'm going to use this and work it all over the eye. Now I'm going to take my Jasmine Loose Mineral Eyeshadow and work this all over my lid. Now I'm taking my deep brown brow pomade and using this to create a nice subtle brown liner. To finish off this simple eye look, I'm going to add a coat of our 100% Lash Mascara in black. And the last step of this simple makeup look is adding a lip color. For this look, I've chosen our Bombshell Vegan Shea Butter Lipstick, and it is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. Okay guys, we're not done yet. Because this look is a transformational look, we are now finished with our simple makeup look. Now I'm going to be showing you how to take it up a notch to create a natural glam look. The first thing we're going to do is continue building our eye look. To build up this eye look, I'm going to be starting with my Boots Loose Mineral Eyeshadow and building it up in the crease and outer V to create some nice dimension. Next, we're going to take even more of our deep brown brow pomade and use this to extend our simple line into a wing. Our simple to natural glam makeup look is now complete. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what you think about this look, and I'll see you next time.